From time-saving tools to innovative accessories, these gadgets are a must-have for any home chef. Join us to explore the 14 essential Amazon kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. Number 14. Super Cubes 1-Cup Silicone Freezer Molds. The Super Cubes are ideal for efficient meal prep. Made from food-safe silicone and featuring a steel-reinforced top with a handy lid, these trays simplify the process of preparing meals in advance. They are perfect for freezing soups, sauces, broths, and other dishes, offering flexibility and durability. These molds are versatile, suitable for both baking and freezing. They can withstand oven temperatures up to 415 degrees Fahrenheit without the lid, and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 13. OXO Good Grips Green Saver Herb Keeper. This herb keeper is designed to keep herbs fresh for a longer period of time by providing proper hydration and protection. The basket allows air to circulate fully around the herbs, while the lid helps maintain the right level of humidity. It opens wide for easy access and has a handle for lifting it in and out of the container. By filling the bottom with water, herbs stay hydrated, and their compact size fits neatly on refrigerator doors or shelves. It is ideal for storing basil, parsley, cilantro, and other similar herbs. Number 12. 5-Blade Herb Scissors. These multi-blade herb scissors feature 5 sharp blades made of food-grade stainless steel, secured with 3 solid rivets. The blades are designed to be sharp, durable, and resistant to rust. The scissors have an ergonomic handle made of a non-slip TPR rubber, providing a comfortable grip and excellent handling. They are versatile and ideal for quickly cutting fresh herbs like mint, rosemary, sage, and cilantro to the perfect size. Cleaning is made easy with an included brush and a protective cover that doubles as a comb for the blades, ensuring no residue remains between them. Number 11. Flairosol Olivia. The advanced fan spray nozzle of this oil sprayer ensures precise mist coverage, allowing for even application. With each full stroke delivering about 1 gram of cooking oil, you can easily manage your daily calorie intake. It is designed to be leak-proof, featuring an anti-drip trigger, a wide glass bottle opening for easy refilling, a filter system to prevent nozzle clogs, and an ergonomic chef-friendly grip. This versatile oil dispenser can be used with various cooking liquids, including olive oil, avocado oil, soy sauce, wine, canola oil, and water. It's ideal for frying, grilling, baking, seasoning, dressing salads, air frying, drizzling, and following calorie-controlled recipes. Number 10. Joseph Clean Force Garlic Press. This garlic press offers a powerful and easy squeeze design, making it simple to crush garlic. Its easy clean design features a trigger-operated wiper blade that efficiently removes crushed garlic. Additionally, it includes a handy cleaning tool for removing trapped garlic and skin from the crushing plate, which is conveniently stored inside the handle. Number 9. Chef'n Fresh Force Citrus Juicer. The Chef'n Fresh Force Citrus Juicer is designed to efficiently extract juice from lemons and limes, yielding up to 20% more juice compared to other juicers. Its high-quality construction features a dual-gear mechanism that enhances pressing power, reducing hand strain. Made from durable nylon and stainless steel, it promises long-lasting use. To operate, simply place a halved lemon or lime cut side down into the juicer and squeeze. The dual-gear mechanism will handle the heavy lifting. This manual juicer is suitable for use in both kitchens and bars, perfect for adding fresh citrus to recipes or cocktails. Number 8. Dunkin' Egg Yolk Separator by Ototo. For separating egg yolks, this kitchen tool has a cute basketball net-inspired design. It combines a playful aesthetic with practical functionality, making it a useful addition to any kitchen. The Dunkin' Egg Yolk Separator is an excellent choice for those seeking unique gifts for home chefs or basketball enthusiasts. Its distinctive design not only adds a touch of whimsy, but also delivers effective performance in the kitchen. This separator isn't limited to just eggs. It can also be used for poaching eggs, making meringues, controlling portions, and more, offering a variety of culinary possibilities. Number 7. OXO Baker's Dusting Wand. The OXO Baker's Dusting Wand is designed for various kitchen tasks. It is useful for turning and lifting vegetables, and is versatile enough for cooking, tossing, and transferring food. The tongs can be locked in the closed position for easy storage. Made from sturdy brushed stainless steel, the wand features scalloped edges that securely hold food. Its soft, comfortable grips and thumb rests are non-slip, providing a secure hold. Additionally, it's ideal for evenly flouring baking pans or sprinkling surfaces when rolling out dough. Number 6. Chef'n Cob Corn Stripper. The Cob Corn Stripper is a practical tool for removing corn kernels from the cob. To use it, simply twist and push it around the cob, and the kernels come off easily. It is designed with safety in mind, keeping the sharp blades inside, which makes it safe for children to use. The blades are made of durable stainless steel and efficiently strip the kernels from the corn. Its compact size makes it easy to store in kitchen drawers or cabinets. Number 5. Dream Farm Spoon. The spoon is a versatile cooking tool designed to simplify kitchen tasks. Its flat silicone tip deep scooping head and flexible squeegee sides allow you to easily scrape every bit of food from your pan or bowl, minimizing cleanup. It features measurement lines for both tablespoons and teaspoons, making it handy for scraping, measuring, stirring, mixing, scooping, and serving. The design of the spoon keeps your counter clean by elevating the spoon head, so you don't need a separate spoon rest. The silicone tip is heat-resistant up to 260 degrees Celsius, making it safe for use with non-stick cookware and dishwasher-friendly. The spoon is a product of Brisbane-based Australian company Dream Farm, which emphasizes thoughtful design and usefulness. Number 4. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker cooks small 4-inch waffles, perfect for quick snacks or creative family meals. To use, just plug it in and pour in the batter. An indicator light will let you know when the waffle maker is ready. It has an easy-to-use handle and non-slip feet for safety. The waffle maker features a high-quality PTFE non-stick surface that ensures your waffles come out perfectly and makes cleaning up easy. Number 3. Zule Kitchen Premium Apple Corer Tool. This stainless steel corer is designed for ease of use with its sharp, serrated twin blades, which smoothly core through apples, pears, bell peppers, cupcakes, and more. The blades open up to discard the core for easy disposal, making it a practical tool for any kitchen. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this corer is durable and resistant to bending or breaking. It can also be used as a pitter and seed remover. Its rust-proof design ensures long-lasting performance. The handle is ergonomically molded for a comfortable grip, with a non-slip design that makes it easy to use, even for seniors or those with arthritis. Number 2. Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoons. The Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoons are made from durable stainless steel, ensuring they won't rust or bend. This set is designed to last and maintain its appearance over time. The spoons feature magnets that allow them to stay together for easy storage and prevent clutter. Each spoon is marked with both US and metric measurements, which are easy to read and resistant to fading. These spoons have dual-sided functionality. The overall end is designed to fit into most spice jars, reducing waste by allowing you to avoid shaking spices onto the spoon. The round end is ideal for measuring liquids. Additionally, the spoons can lay flat on the counter without spilling and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 1. Gizmo Snap and Strain Pot and Pasta Strainer. The Snap and Strain is a practical kitchen tool from Kitchen Gizmo. This clip-on strainer features a fine mesh and is designed to easily attach to round pots, pans, and bowls of any size, including those with rims. It allows you to strain food while keeping it in the pot, making it a useful accessory for any kitchen. The strainer's compact size means it takes up much less space compared to traditional colanders or sieves, which is ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. This makes it a convenient option for both men and women who enjoy cooking. Thanks for checking out our top 14 Amazon kitchen gadgets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let us know which gadget you're excited to try in the comments below.